Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another one, and this time I am reviewing the NYX CANT That Won't Stop foundation. I've heard lots of things about this. I've heard it's super matte, I've heard it's 24 hours, so we're going to be putting that to the test, but not for 24 hours. But before we get into that, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Belle. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you're already subscribed, then thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I've got two shades with me. I chose the two shades that I thought would match me closest, and that was Mocha and Deep Sable. Now I'm going to be swatching these on my chest because I usually match my foundation to my chest. So let's go ahead and do that quickly for those of you that want to see maybe what it looks like. Let's have a look. So this one here is Mocha. So that's Mocha there. Mocha seems to be my shade right now considering how tanned I am. I'd say Mocha would work pretty well. So this is Deep Sable for any of you guys who want to know what it looks like, and that is Mocha. I think those two shades are actually pretty good. Considering, I'm just glad that I have two shades that I can wear, because usually that's a bit of a struggle, as you guys already know. So these are the shades on my hand. That is Mocha and that is Deep Sable. And I think both of them are pretty good for me. Just blending it in, I could probably wear Deep Sable now as well. It's just Mocha gives me a bit of a bronze look, and I'd rather go for the bronze look, so we're going to go with that. So I'm going to go right in with Mocha, and as I mentioned earlier, this foundation claims to be 24 hours. Claims to be full coverage as well, and it's also a matte finish. So I've already moisturised my face with a water gel cream from Simple, and I've also used an SPF, but it's a very moisturising one because I have combination skin. I only tend to get oily sometimes around my T-zone, and I've already gone ahead and used this on my nose area and my chin just to fill in any pores that are there and counteract any oil. This is one pump, which I'd say is pretty generous, so we're going to start with one pump first. I'm hoping it doesn't dry like extremely fast, so I'm not going to finish everything that's on here. I'm actually just going to go ahead and blend it out straight away, and then we'll have a look. I'd say this blends really well. That looks really good, guys. For this is not even a full pump, this is half a pump, and the finish of that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm kind of glad I went with this colour. Let me use up the sun one more time before it goes, and obviously my concealer can balance it out, but this is half a pump and I think it's pretty good so far. And the weird thing is, I don't usually wear matte foundations, like really matte, but you know what? Let's see how this one lasts today anyway. That's pretty good. This is only one pump, and I actually like already the coverage that it's giving me. We know that it's darker than my chest, but I want to go for a bit of a tan look today. There's not much sun, looks like it's going to be raining, but anyway. I'm going to go in with another half pump. I don't like to wear too much foundation, so I'm only going to go in with a half pump. And this time I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh yes, we might be with a winner right now. How many of you know that if we can get a drugstore foundation in our shade that works well with our skin, we'll be choosing that over the high-end ones more often, because you know this is not as expensive. It's £15. It is now in the UK, so it did come out in the UK not too long ago, finally. But I actually like the way it looks. I really, really like the finish. That looks really good, guys. What do you guys think? And at least we're working with a shade that is not that bad either. I mean, I could have gone in with Deep Sable, which would have been probably closer to my chest, but considering I'll be balancing it out of my concealer, I think we're doing pretty well here. This looks really, really nice. I'm going to put my concealer on and the rest of my face, and then we'll have a look and see what it's looking like then. I'll see you guys very shortly. I just want to show you guys what it's looking like now that I've put my concealer and everything on. I'm not contouring with any creams. I'm just going to do like a powder. It's more like a bronzer contouring powder anyway, but this is what my skin looks like now. The concealer that I use is the same concealer I used in my previous video, so if you haven't watched that, go check that out. And I just think it sits really well and blends well together. Good thing that the concealer and everything is not really drying, but so far I think my skin looks really good. I know most people said that once they put it on, it was really, really matte on their skin, and at the moment, like, I don't feel like I have a lot of products on my face. Still feels very light and airy. I mean, my face is matte. Obviously, I haven't set it up yet. You can tell my under eyes are probably more dewy than the rest of my face, but I think right now it is looking really, really good. I'm gonna set my face and do the rest of it, show you the finished results, and then we'll come back and chat about it again. Okay guys, so I've just finished the rest of my face. I'm about to leave to head off to work. I just wanted to show you guys how my face is looking right now. It's only been not even an hour, to be fair. It's probably been about 45 minutes since I've had the foundation on, and I haven't actually set my face. So yeah, just looking at it like this, it is pretty matte considering I haven't set my face just yet. Obviously whatever's glowing is highlighter, of course, so I've only put it on the high points of my cheekbones, my nose, and here, and a bit of my cupid's bow. But I don't think I'm going to set my face today. I don't necessarily set it. I usually put this on it, which is a hydrating mist from Superdrug. I'm not going to do that today because I just want to see how it holds up and actually see if any oils come through, etc, etc. Okay, I don't have oily skin, but I have combination skin, so I'm sure there's got to be a little something, but we'll see how it holds up throughout the day. I will come back and show you guys what it's looking like at the end of the day, so I will see you guys very shortly. Okay guys, so I am back after a full day's wear. Time now is 6:23, so I've had this on for 10 hours and 23 minutes because I did finish everything roughly around by 8 AM this morning, and this is what I am looking like. So I did mention that I have combination skin, and the only primer that I wore was the NYX pore filler on my T-zone area. So this is what it looks like. Obviously this is just highlighter there, and I put highlighter on the tip of my nose there and here, so only a tiny bit of my nose is oily. A bit of my forehead is oily as well. Obviously I do have a ring light in front of me, so it is igniting that shine, but in person honestly it's not that bad. So it said 24 hours. I don't know if this is going to last for 24 hours personally, but I'm not about to try that either because I'm not trying to clog up no pores out here. But I would definitely say this foundation is a winner. It's a plus. I would definitely recommend this foundation if you don't have it already. One thing I did notice is that it does oxidize just a little bit. So the colour that I wore was Mocha, and I found that my face was darker than my chest and everything. So I think I might try the other shade next time, which was Deep Sable, and then just see how I feel about it to choose which one I can wear. But yeah, this is it. £15. I mean, come on guys. I think it's worth it. Totally worth it. I'm just gonna dab my face again and just see how it would look if you're a blotter, because I'm not a blotter or anything like that. I don't carry makeup with me, so let's just see. This is just from the excess powder on my beauty blender. And every foundation sinks into my smile lines as well, because I always smile a lot. So this is what I'm looking like now. I still look good. So definitely thumbs up for this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as well. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button before you click out of this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.